Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you to send fake snaps on Snapchat without filters. So you might want to send a fake snap, which is just you sending a photo from your gallery as a snap, but you can't find a way to do it without filters. So what I mean by sending it from your gallery is when you go to camera roll and then try and send it to somebody as a snap. If you try to do that and you send it to somebody, it will send it as a picture in the chat. So let me show you what I mean real quick. I'll send this to your mom. And then when I go back to my chats, as you can see in the text, it sends it as a picture and not as a snap. So if you want to send it as a snap, I'll show you how to do that right now. And by snap, I mean by the red delivered thing, like right here, where it shows delivered. So first go out to Snapchat. And once you are here, go to your app store and search up OVF Editor. It's on the Google Play Store and App Store, so it works for either of them. So once you go to it, download it. It's free and it should not take that long. Once you download it, like right here, open it up. So let me get it there and I'll open it. Now this does have ads because it is a free app. So as soon as you click photo, you click the photo button at the bottom, it'll show an ad. But after that ad is over, just close the ad. Then you could choose any photo that you want to send as a snap. Choose the photo that you want to send as a snap. And once you're here, you can edit it however you want. You can change the exposure and whatever and do whatever you want with it. And once you are done, click on the green check in the top right corner. And when you're here, make sure you crop it to the Snapchat crop. So there's a crop that has a ghost in it. That's the Snapchat one. So click on that. And then once you do that, click finish. Now I'll bring you over to Snapchat and it'll have it ready to send. So you can click send to whoever you want, or you can add texts and draw on it, whatever you want to do. And once you are done doing it, click on the send to and send it to whoever you want. I'll send it to your mom just to show the difference. And when I click on it, as you can see, it sends it as a snap and not as a picture. You can see it right here is delivered as a snap and not a picture. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.